Hello children, in this video you will learn to use repeat script in Scratch. Now children, in the previous video you had seen how to move the sprite, isn't it? Now today you will learn how to move the sprite and how to turn as well. Okay? And while moving, I want the sprite to draw a line as well. So first of all, I'll give from control block. I'll bring this when flag clicked. Okay. So when the flag is clicked, what should happen? The sprite should move first. So in the motion block, I'll bring move 10 steps over here. Okay. You can change the number, whatever you want. If you want 10, you can make it 10. You can make it 15. You can make it 20, 50, whatever number you want. Okay. So I'll keep it 10 only. And after moving, it should turn. So I want it to turn. So this turn I've brought turn by 15. I'll make this 15 also as 10. So 10, turn 15. So turn 10 degrees. Okay. When it moves, I want the sprite to draw a line, isn't it? So for drawing, I have to go to the pen block and I have to put the pen down, isn't it? And then I have to select a pen color. So set pen color. Now this should be done before it moves, isn't it? So I'll remove these scripts from here. I'll put these scripts here first and then I'll bring these scripts here. Okay. So when I click the green flag, the pen will be put down. Okay. And the color will be set to, suppose I'll change the color from here. I'll make this pink color. Okay. So the color of the pen will become pink, and when the sprite will move 10 steps, it's going to draw a line. And after drawing a line, the sprite is going to turn 10 degrees. Okay. So come on, now let's see. I'll click on the green flag. You see the sprite moved and it turned as well. But you can't see the color, isn't it? So I need to move the sprite more so that you see the line drawn behind. Okay. So once more, I'll click on the green flag. See it turn. Again, I'll move the green flag. Again, it turn. This way, more number of times I'll keep on clicking and I'll keep on turning the sprite. See, can you see children? It's drawing a line when it is moving. So it's moving and turning. This way, as many number of times as you want, you can keep on clicking. Isn't it? I wanted to complete the circle, so I'm simply clicking the green flag. Now it has completed the circle. Can you see children? So this way, you can keep executing these scripts by again and again clicking the green flag because the control is for green flag. These scripts will be executed when you click on the green flag. So now I want these scripts to be executed again and again, isn't it? So instead of clicking the green flag number of times, you can use repeat script. For repeat script, go to control block. Okay. From here, bring this repeat script here. Okay. And all these scripts should be put inside this repeat block. This way, then attach these here. Can you see? So now what I'll do, I want to remove this first, isn't it? I want to clear the stage also, children. So before I move and turn the turtle, I want to clear the screen as well, isn't it? So for clear, where I'll go to pen block. I'll bring this clear here. So first the stage will be cleared and then these will be executed. Okay. So now let's see. I'll click on the green flag only once I'm going to click. But see over here, repeat 10 times it is. I'll make it, instead of 10, I'll make it 36 so that it completes the turn, isn't it? You've learned in the angle concept, children, isn't it? If I'm moving it by 10 steps, I should multiply it by 36, so it becomes 360, isn't it? So 36 is required. If I repeat it 36 times, the complete circle will be drawn, isn't it? So now I'll click on the green flag and change the difference, children. First, it is going to clear the stage and then it will move and draw because it's going to turn as well. So I'm clicking on the green flag now. Isn't it? Can you see, children? It has drawn. Now this line is very thin, isn't it? I want to change the pen size. So I'll again, what I'll do, I'll bring set pen size over here. Set pen size. And I'll make the pen size as 5. Isn't it? Now this also has to be done before it starts drawing. So after clearing the stage, it will set the pen size to 5 and then it will draw. I can change the color as well over here. I'll make it blue now. Okay. I'll just once I'll click on the green flag. See, such a nice ring it has drawn, isn't it? Now children, while moving, the pen size is same, isn't it? Once the sprite is turning, the pen size is 5 and every time it is 5. So every time the sprite is moving, the pen size is 5. That is why an even circle has come over here. What I want it to change the pen size. Okay. So what I'll do, after the pen size is set to 5, okay, I'll make it 2. Instead of 5, I'll make it 2. Okay. And then inside this block, I want it to change the pen size as well. What I'll do, I'll bring this change pen size by 1. I'll make it 2. Change pen size by 2. Okay. And then I will bring this inside after pen down. Okay. So first time the pen size will be 2. And after the control of the scripts come inside this repeat block, the pen will be down. It will change the pen size by 2. Okay. So it may become 4. And then the pen color will be set to blue. And then the turtle will move and then turn. And then again pen down. Now children, I don't need to give this pen down every time. Once the pen is down, it will be down only unless I lift the pen up. So what I'll do, I'll remove the script from here. This pen down should be just after clear. Okay. So I'll put it here. And these now I'll put it inside the repeat. So what these steps only it's going to repeat. Okay. So once the size is 2. So once the size of the pen is 2, it will change the pen size by 1. It will set this color and move and draw. And this will again happen how many times? 36 times. Okay. So I'll click on this green flag. Now see children. What happened? Every time these scripts are repeated, the size is changed by 1. It means it is increased by 1. So first time it is 1, next time it is 2. Isn't it? So that is why this way it has drawn. So every time the pen size is increasing. So you can see that the line is becoming thicker and thicker. Now similarly, I can even change the pen color, isn't it? So instead of the set pen color, I'll remove the set pen color from here. Instead of the set pen color, I'll put change pen color. Okay, change pen color. Okay, instead of 10, I'll make it again 2, suppose. And then I'll move and turn the sprite. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. So what will happen, children? It is changing the pen size and it is changing the pen color as well. Okay. So let's see now. I'll click on this green flag. Got it, children? So it has changed the pen color as well. Can you see? Different colors have come now. So this way, children, you can use the repeat block for repeating the same scripts again and again. Okay. So come on, children. Now using these scripts, you can prepare nice animations. Thanks, children.